What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. This time we are installing a small little gadget adapter. More like it's an adapter that is gonna help us to prevent this right here. Is gonna help us prevent this. So this suction cup it's not sticking anymore. It sucks. It sucks. It comes off with the heat. So my thing will just dangle there. And so to prevent that from happening, I ended up going with none other than the Blendmount. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. It's got detailed instructions on how to do it. I'm gonna run you guys through it. And in case this video is not good enough for you guys, yeah, go check this out. They got a number you can call, email them, go to their website. So hopefully this video is going to help you guys put this together. All right, so that's how you do it right there. That's how you take it off. You can install this back on there. We're not going to use it because the actual blend mount comes with its own hardware. So all we need is this little piece right here. All right, so it's off. Let's go ahead and remove the screw and install that piece in there. Comes off from here. Yeah, little screw. Just got a screw on both sides. All right, and there it is. Screws the little piece, goes in here, and this is how it's going to go, like this. So the way this hooks up, it slides in the radar towards the front. So you're gonna put this lip towards the front. All right. Screw. It's pretty fun. I'm not going to tighten anything up yet. Just going to loosen it up right there. Okay. Alright, so this is all the hardware it comes with. So it comes with the tools you need and everything. But I don't need any of that. And I'm going to use my own Allen key. It comes with little pads in case you need some more. Screws in case you lose some. Little zip tie just to secure everything up. But I won't be needing any of this. Everything's good on mine. So let's mount it up, tighten it all up, and see what it looks like. For this install, we're going to be using a standard 7/64 Allen key, and this is going to be the perfect one to tighten that up. And ignore the other one I was using because that's not even the correct one. All right. So next, this is the windshield pad right here. Make sure it's facing up, which is that way. All right. You'll put it on there like that and start installing this in there. So the way this works, this is loose. This is loose right there. All right. This is gonna press against your to protect any damage to your windshield. And then you see that groove right there. As you tighten up on these bolts, it'll squeeze it down onto the back of the rear view mirror, the way this is set up. So here, let me show you guys. All right, I don't know if you guys can see right there. Let's see where it hooks onto it. Right here in the back, right up here. So it'll hook up onto there. It locks in place and prevents it from moving. All right. Alright, so you're gonna slide this piece in until it clips. You see how flush it is? Right there, it clipped on. So you slide it in with that pad, clips on. See how that's loose? Then you tighten it up. Allen key. And that's it. And you got adjustment here and adjustment here. So let's go ahead and install the radar. Yep, that's that red line 360C. Only the best. Alright. There it goes. Installed right there. I heard the click. And then I'll go ahead and adjust it right here. According to how I like it. See, I want to tuck in like that, so that's exactly how I'm gonna tighten it up right there. It looks real good. Okay, let me go ahead and secure all these up. Make sure everything's nice and tight. That's tight. Secure this one up here. Nice and tight, and there it is. Ooh, hoo, hoo. That's nice and snug right there. Yep. There it is. That's how I wanted it right there. Thing is not moving. Not gonna fall. No nothing. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope this helped out, guys. Make sure I subscribe, like, hit that notification button to stay tuned for every project I run into. Catch you guys on the next one.